Let's talk about the latest launched TECNO smartphone Camon 30S Pro with cosmic concentric circles design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, 6.78 inches full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, approximately 89.5% screen to body ratio, approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 1300 nits HBM peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony IMX896 sensor, main camera with aperture 1.88 and support optical image stabilization, along with 2 megapixel depth camera, and with auxiliary lens and dual LED flash. For selfies it has 50 megapixel centered punch hole front camera with dual LED flash, video recording maximum 2K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, up to 2 major Android upgrades, based on exclusive optimized version of iOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G100 6nm chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.64 by 74.64 by 7.75 mm, and the color options: interstellar gray, shim silver green, pearl gold colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt supercharge fast charging, 20-watt wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, IP53 dust and splash resistant support, FM radio support, infrared remote control support, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The TECNO Camon 30S Pro has been priced in Nigeria for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 387,000 Nigerian naira. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this TECNO Camon 30S Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.